Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V20 SE. Today I'll show you how to check number of apps opened each day. Firstly, tap on Settings, scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now show your data and tap on Unlocks. As you can see, here are all apps I've opened today. For example, I've opened settings 16 times today. We can also check for different days. For example, yesterday I opened settings 56 times. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.